Hello, beautiful people. Notice anything different? Yes, yes. You see these inches, y'all? I know you see them. Beautiful, right? Just something cool, quick to do for the summer. My curls will be back soon, and let's talk about curls. So I got sent this box from Zotos Professional. This is their new curly line. It is sold at Sally's Beauty and it is so affordable. So what I'm gonna do is go over what's in the box, give it a little smell, and you'll have a review coming of the products and also a giveaway of the products. So let's get started. So I got sent this big box. I love picking this. This box is awesome. It's just so cute and bright. There it is. Anyway, let's open it up. You guys like my braids? Let's talk about these braids. Just kidding. Okay. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so it says United We Curl. Hashtag United We Curl. And the first thing I see when I open up the box is these two flyers. One discussing the products that are in the line, which I'm gonna use definitely. I gotta put on my glasses because y'all know I'm blind. And then this talks about the new line and all of that, so I'll read that for you as well. So it has this nice blue colored tissue paper. Ooh, I'm so excited. Now, I have already used some of these products because I saw them and I bought them. So where is my glasses? I've already used some of them and I absolutely love them. Oh, here they are. Sorry, in and out of the camera. What can I do? This is my first, actually it's not my first unboxing. I think I did an unboxing of something else, but we're here, we're family, let's get to it. So, it says, let's go with this flyer first. United We Curl, Zotos Professional, all about curls, ready to unleash your curl power, created for curly hair regardless of texture or tone to deliver nourished, defined, and defrizzed curls. Join the celebration and embrace the extraordinary strands with professional hair care designed to unite all their quest for the perfect curl. So, and then there's the little flyer. There's the other side of it. All right. Now, I think this pretty much says the same thing. It just gives you kind of a breakdown of the products and what they do. So let's just go over each product. I'll open it, smell it, and I will let you guys know what I think of it. And I'll tell you what I've used from the line so far. So let's start with there's 8 products, by the way. There's 8 full-size products in this box, and I'm guessing this is their PR box that went out to the curly girls in the community to try. For the curly girls in the community to try. So let's start with the No Lather cleanser. I have tried this and I do love it. It's the smell on all of them are very, I'm just going to say light and sweet. Like that's all I can give you is light and sweet. But I love them. So the thickness on this, you can see it's very thick. This is I would say this is like a no lather cleanser. Yeah, this is the no lather cleanser because I know they have one that does. Yeah, okay. I'm not tripping. I'm not crazy. Yeah, this is the no lather. So this doesn't lather. It's almost like a co-wash. Very moisturizing. All of these products are no SLS, no sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Now, if you want to go through and check the ingredients yourself, I don't pay attention to any of those things. But if you do, you can always, copy paste the ingredients from the Sally's website and then paste it into the CGM friendly website, and it will tell you if it, what's curly girl friendly and what isn't. So that's the first item in the line, is the no lather cleanser. Then we have the low lather cleanser, and I have used this as well. It does have a light lather. Again, same, no SLS, no sulfates. All of them are the same. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. So this is a low lather, so you are going to get a little bit of bubble with this. Again, the same light smell, sweet smell. Let me get a little closer so you can see. It is thick though. She thick, y'all. I don't want to waste this. Okay, I'm just going to leave this like this because we're not going to waste it. I'll use it on Lyric or something. So that is the no lather. These are all 15 full ounces. And did I mention that these are all, I think the price point for these are $9.99, I want to say, and these ones are $10. I will find out and add it in the comment section when I post this video. But this is the low lather. Again, 15 full ounces. That's product number 2. Now we have the Daily Cream Conditioner. So they only have one conditioner in this line. Another product that's 15 full ounces. And this, let's see. Same sweet smell. Very thick. You can see when a conditioner does that, you know it's super thick. So that's, I have used this as well, because what I did when I bought it was I bought the kit, and that comes with 4 products from the line. And then I bought the gel, one of the gels, and a full size of the cream. So I've been using it and I absolutely love it, but I didn't want to share with you guys because I knew this box was coming and I wanted to share everything with you at one time, give you my full review at one time, and all that great stuff. So this is the daily conditioner. So this is your rinse out conditioner. Now what I'm going to ask them, and again, another thing that I'll put in the comments or in my description, is that if you can use this as a leave-in conditioner. So that will be some more information that will be in that section as well. So again, 15 full ounces, no sulfates. It all says it all right there on the bottle. Next, what do we have next? What should we do next? Let's do, oh, this is a product I have not tried. This is the Divine Treatment Mega Moisture. This is their deep conditioner. So this is actually a little thinner. I mean, it doesn't come out. If you give it time, it probably will. But again, same light sweet smell. And this is their deep conditioner. And this one is 8 full ounces. Leave-in conditioner. Sorry, not leave-in. Deep conditioner. So the next one we have is the, let me get some water. It's hot up in here. The next thing we have in the box, we'll do another one that I have not tried. This is the Boosting Foam Lightweight Definition. This is their mousse, or, you know, a foam. Now what I would use this for is probably like a refresh. I have not used it at all. So when I do a full wash day, I'll definitely be using this to refresh on day probably like 3. So yeah, and all of these products mix well together. So well, especially the 2 products that I've tried already, the gels, they mix really well together. So there's that. There's the mousse, and I'll squeeze the mousse for you guys in the cap so you can see it. There you go, typical mousse. Oh, they all smell so good. It just has a really light, sweet smell. Not like food, but like florally sweet mixed together. Really good. Anyway, this one is 6.7 full ounces or fluid ounces. All right. Next we have, let's do this one. This is the Bouncy cream. This is their curl cream. This one is 5.1 fluid ounces or full ounces, fluid ounces, whatever you want to call it. There's that. I'll show you the thickness of it. And I will be doing a review on all of these. This is just an unboxing with you guys. This cream is thick, like thick. thick. Super thick. Anyway, same sweet smell. I'm gonna wipe it off my hand because I'm not gonna use it right now. But yeah, there's that. And then the next item in the box is the Soft Definition Gel. This gel is one that I have been using. I have not said anything to anyone except for maybe my sister-in-law. I absolutely love this gel, and the fact that it's affordable makes me love it even more. This gel is just amazing. It's not too thick, but it's just thick enough. It gives you a light cast, and it mixes well with a lot of products. Before I try gels, normally I will mix them with the cream, and I do try them on my hand first. And I've tried this one on my hand with a few creams, and I love this one. And it also pairs well with the cream from its own line. So this is the Soft Definition Gel Crunchless Hold, which it does give you a crunchless hold. You can use it by itself or with a cream. And this one is 15 fluid ounces. Last but not least, the High Definition Crunchless Hold. This one gives you a good cast. This one I would use with a good leave-in conditioner, and then that's all you need. Again, same. They smell so good. They smell so good. Anyway, this is the High Definition Crunchless Gel, Crunchless Gel. And this one is I don't know, it's the same thickness as the other one. It just gives you a different cast. Like, I wouldn't, this is the gel that comes in the kit, and I'll show you guys the kit as well. Actually, I can't show you the kit because it's in the room, but the kit is like travel size of the No Lather, the conditioner, the Bouncy curl cream, and then this gel. And when I first tried the kit, I mixed these two together, and it was too much hold for my hair. So definitely I would use this with the lighter hold gel, and then this one by itself with a good leave-in conditioner. But like I said, this one is bomb. They are all so affordable. They're sold at Sally's Beauty. I just want to say thank you to them for sending me this awesome box. I can't wait to review all of these products. Y'all know how I get down. All of these products will be reviewed, and on either my YouTube or my IGTV. Again, there's 8 products in the line. I'll go through them again. The High Definition Gel, the Mousse, Curl Cream, Deep Conditioner. This is the No Lather Cleanser. This is the Daily Conditioner. Cream Conditioner. This is the Soft Definition Gel. And then this one here is the No Lather Cleanser. And that is all of them. So that is that. Flyers again. I will be going and reviewing all of these products. If you've tried them, let me know. I want to know what you guys think of them. They are fairly new. When I went to Sally's to pick up the kit, they were still in the back. They weren't even on the shelves yet. So they're fairly new. So I don't know if anyone has tried them. I haven't really seen any reviews. You guys can look up the hashtag. I will be doing a giveaway of the kit. They sent me to do a giveaway. So that will be up soon too. And I think that's about it. Let me know what you guys think of the video. Any feedback that you guys have, I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think of the braids. If you want them to be back or you want the curls back, I want to know. And yeah, that is all.